Checking in, y'all. I'm extremely tired. Y'all already know what it is. We in the car. But, got off this morning at 9. Went home and took a shower and relaxed. It is currently 2:35. My homegirl got an event today at 3. And I feel like, she invites me to a lot of events and I'm never able to go because I'm always working. So, today I'm able to go and I'm going. So, who supports you? She always supports me. And this is like I think it's like a women empowerment. I might be telling the story. I don't truly know what it is, but I'm going. That's all I know. Oh yeah. Y'all come with me to support my friend. And yeah. Camera. Say hey, girl. Hey.
When I got pregnant with Lauren, I thought about you. And I'm like, how's she doing this with being a business owner? It just, I think about you guys when life happens, how you persevere, how you get through things. And so today, as I call you out, share your testimony, share your ups and downs, what you did through, how you get to where the Lord has gotten you at this point in your life. Because it's upcoming entrepreneurs that sitting here need to hear your story to be uplifted like y'all have uplifted me. And so I just really truly want to thank you all, even the ones who traveled far to come here to this special event that the Lord put in my heart. So thank you guys. So we're gonna have opening prayer by Minister Washington.
Oh my gosh, y'all. The event was so good. So it was called Inspiring Her because earlier I didn't know what it's called. They gave us a goodie bag. And I think what's in it. You get I got a journal. Super cute. I got a pen. I got a charm that says, God is within her, she will not fail. Psalms 46:5. Super cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a butterfly. Y'all know I love butterflies. If you don't know, now you know. Super cute. I think this is like a charm, and it says she blessed. She believed she could, so she did. She blessed Jesus. And then I feel like this is the tie. Oh yeah. So for the journal that I have, oh, it's got a lock. It's got a lock and a key. So that definitely will be my next journal. Because the journal I have doesn't have a lock on it, and people can get in there and see what I say. And I got a lot to say. So anyway, I enjoyed. First of all, there were, how many people was it that spoke? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7 people. 7 people that spoke. Each woman had something very inspiring to talk about and encourage everybody with. I thought it was amazing. I enjoyed the experience. I'm so glad I went. And just got to learn something, networking, because we were talking about businesses, and I got to share my business, and there are other women that are in the field that I'm in that are gonna connect me with people that have. Ain't it good to be connected? Good God, I'm just blessed. I'm blessed to be there. The experience was just amazing, and I got to share a little bit of my testimony, and I'm just excited. I'm excited about it all. How about that? So yeah. So I'm gonna go change because it's currently 7:20. I stayed longer than I wanted to, but I'm glad I did. And I'm gonna just go ahead and get my clothes on for work, because if I go to sleep now, baby, they won't see me tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do that. I also bought something. I bought a shirt from Miss B. She has her own boutique, which I love. I love the shop. Didn't I tell y'all to pray for me? And then it's a company called Blush Balm that I've been wanting to do. This is the gel, and it's some toner pads for like your underarms. So it helps like with the dark spots under your arms, because summertime is almost here, baby, and I want to have that arm up. And these are supposed to help. I was gonna buy it, but I didn't. And then when I got to the thing, I was just like, ain't no coincidence, stuff will just get put in your way. I probably shouldn't have bought this, but I did. So I'm excited about it. So yeah, I'm super excited. I enjoyed everything, and yeah, that was the end of my event today. Yeah, I am not having a good day. It's just so much. Probably from me getting off from this morning, coming straight into here, I just feel like I've had no rest. And then it's like, try Brittany day. People want to be rude and, oh, they don't want this, they don't want that. Okay, fine, have it your way. But this is not Burger King when it comes to Brittany. So it's just like, I can't get these 2 nails off. I just feel like I'm just flustered. It's just one of those days. It's going to get better, though. It's going to definitely get better. I just want to share my little tea. When I go home today, I think I'm going to go by the pool. I need to go by somewhere that water makes me calm. It just calms my spirits. Maybe that'll help me out today. I need a break. So my regular camera won't let me be great. So let me show y'all what I got. So I got some Hydro Boost Neutrogena products. I'm gonna get 2 masks. And I think I'm gonna find do this. I need something for like morning time and nighttime. I got my nighttime routine good because I use good molecules, but I needed something with some sunscreen. So yeah, so I'm trying to figure out what else I want to get. I think that's gonna be it, because I'm very picky on what I use on my face, because your girl will break out. What is this? Ooh. This is a box with Boost Your Skin's Vitals, the gel and the loose. So I don't know, I might get this. Let me check those. That ain't bad. It's normally 19, and the other one is normally 17. So I think that's a good deal. Might get it, might not. Y'all, so the lightning, Jesus. I went in Walmart and left my purse. I meant to take my purse, but it was pouring down raining because I wanted to record what I bought out of there, and I had to do it on my phone, and my phone ain't got no storage. Why ain't nobody tell me that the iPhone 16 is trash? Don't y'all go buy that phone. I'm ready to downgrade. I had the 11, and somebody told me I should have got the 14 or the 15, and I should have listened, because the 16 is not where it's at. So anyway, y'all gonna see this little piece of a recording that I got out of Walmart off my good iPhone 16, and I had to record it off of Snapchat because I don't have no storage on my phone. Who would have known? Me, no storage, a mess. So yeah, did a little bit of facial cleansing shopping, because I use good molecules, but I'm running out, and Ulta is now closed, and I needed something that I could wash my face. I like to wash my face in the morning and at night, because skincare is so important. Baby, don't think you finna beat your face and look real like a beauty queen and your skin toe down. Take care of your skin. Put mask on. Exfoliate your skin, please. Because if you don't, it'll show up in them pictures with that caked up makeup you got on. Or if you don't wear makeup, it's gonna show. So take care of your skin. You're welcome. Alright, y'all. Back to show y'all what I got. So, of course, I had to get vitamins. I had to go restock on my vitamins. Of course, I couldn't take my camera in because of the rain, whatever have you. But I like to take cranberry vitamins. They help with urinary tract. My dinner's done. Calcium, magnesium, and zinc. These help with sleep. They also help with bone and muscle support. But I take them at bedtime because they just help me. I picked up shellac. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's probably not. Spelling bee champs. Don't. So it's for general wellness, and it's promotes energy and all that other good stuff. We're gonna try this out. But I need some energy. So I work 13 jobs. I picked up from my, I was about to say from my pill lady, like I get it from a dealer, right? Oil of oregano with black seed oil. Y'all, this, I had to get 2 packs because, baby, you take 2 pills of this, baby, it just helps. It just cleans you out, you know what I mean? And it's just really, really good. Anyways, got me an exfoliating stretch cloth. You know the ones they see on there, they stretching that back and scratch your back and clean everything. Super excited about that. I got a brush and stuff that I use too, and then like for my exfoliating gloves, I have those or whatever have you. Really good. I got some facial stuff. I got some new little scrubbing pads for my face. I got a Neutrogena Hydro Gel Mask. Dang, I can't talk today. Good God. But yeah, some masks. I bought 2 of them. So try that out. And I got some Hydro Boost exfoliating cleanser. Bam, there you go. And I also got Ultra Gentle Daily Face Moisturizer, and it has like SPF in it, so make sure you're getting that sunscreen with your lotion. So yeah, that's that. I like to cleanse morning time, nighttime. I'm gonna probably do like a nighttime get ready with me, whatever, facial products review. So yeah, that's that. Oh, I also have something else. My camera gonna stay still. There you go. So I also got some products from Her Fantasy products. Y'all probably done seen it on Instagram and all of that. I don't really know who to thank for these products, but they are amazing. I already opened the box. Mind y'all business. So I got the Yummy Gel. This is supposed to make you smell good down there. Now, you got a sensitive nana poo, you might not want to be using all this. So, but this works really well. Girl, hush, I'm coming. So you got this Yummy Her Fantasy box. Cleansing. I also got the Refresher. So this is like a feminine cleansing oil. It's like a peppermint. You know how like you done ate a peppermint and drunk water behind it and give you that little feel like that right there. That's what this do, and I like it. Then I have the Body Magic. I'm assuming this is like chlorophyll, so it's supposed to remove body odor naturally, like underarms, smelly breath, smelly private area. Now I ain't got now one of them, just so y'all know. But why not? It was in a little, they had like a package deal or something to that nature. So you got a Healthy Box probiotic, so it's like a probiotic for your pH balance for your vagina. Then you have Slippery Box. We ain't gonna educate you on that because if you don't know, you don't know. This is a everywhere deodorant. Now this is my second time ordering this. This is really good. It's like, it smells like, the flavor is fresh berry, so it's really good. It smells really, really good. And then I have a refresher oil. So this oil you can use under your arms when you shave. You can use this around your armpits, around your vaginal crease where you have dark spots, like for your bikini line, all that good stuff. So I'll come back with a review. But that's what I got, honey. That's what she got. I don't know how much I spent on this. I will tell y'all, but I don't remember. It ain't got it on here. But it was on sale, so that's why I bought it. Because who don't love a good sale, baby girl and baby boy? That's all I got for y'all.
The sun is shining warmth in the